You're gonna tell them what we're gonna do?
Yeah. Right, is it on?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you see the thingy there?
Yeah, it's blinking.
Okay. Okay, so we're gonna make snow angels on the side of the road because we want everyone to see that we made snow angels. So I guess I'm gonna go first.
Go.
Oh my gosh! Ew! Debbie, that's gross.
It's mud. Hurry. Your battery's like dying. Doesn't even matter. Just do it. Just do it. Get out!
Here, you make one.
You got a car to honk at us. Yeah.
Okay. Should I take this off?
Oh, here's this.
Here, hold that. Oh my gosh.
Don't get in my snow angel.
Oh, you went in my pants!
Make more wings! Make more wings!
Is that good?
Yeah, that's good. Oh, we gotta write our name. I'm thinking. Look at our snow angels. Look at that. That's beautiful.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, woo!
Okay, we need a stick.
We could use our finger. Shut up, for real? She's taking off her antenna.
Where? At the top or bottom?
On the other side, yeah. Like, write it like that. That's not even dark enough. I can't even see anything. Oh my gosh, I'm thinking. How cool is that? Isn't that the coolest? Woo! This is too cool. Bet you can't do that. Okay, well, we're going because we did what we had to do.
Yeah.
Bye, everybody.